Hi there, I'm Joaquim Lopez, maintenance manager from company Vizelpas, and we just installed a new machine, a Vega 600 from Mamata. We did the commissioning, we are finishing at the moment, and really good, it's running good. We have a Mamata machine since 2009, so we bought a new machine, so it means something. We are satisfied with the company, with the machines, good service, really well. We did some tests with new product. So with MDO iPack, it's a little bit challenging, but it went really well. The iPack, we did pet food, three-side ceiling, so good speed, good quality. We really recommend Mamata. So thanks guys.
Thank you.